friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Michelle and I make videos all about creative journaling, stationery and now bullet journaling. If you're new to bullet journaling or just looking for inspiration to refresh your current setup, this video is for you. I'm setting up my very first bullet journal from scratch and walking you through each page. To get started, you don't need much. You need a journal. I'd say a dotted grid one, like this one, is best. Mine's from Typhosy. A pen, a ruler, pencil, a rubber. If you like to do decorating, you can get stickers, stencils. I do a lot of decorating, so I use a lot of stickers and stencils. Right, first we're going to start on the key. So we'll open this up. I've already done the front bit here. It's a tip in, so we're going to fill this in together. So I'm just going to get my pen. I'm going to start here and I'm going to do a box. And I'm going to write task. And I'm going to do another box like that. And I'm going to put a line across it and colour in this bit and write in progress. The next one I'm going to do is the task box. And then I'm just going to put a line through it, and that's going to be cancelled. The next one is going to be a box with a line through it, and I'm going to do an arrow, and that's going to be moved. So that's if I've moved a task to another day or another week or even another month. I'll put that next to it. Right, this one is for appointments. The next one I'm going to colour in, and that's going to be attended. The next one I'm going to do is this one, and that's going to be urgent. The next one I'm going to do a question mark, and that's going to be research. Next one I'm going to do a box with a little box inside it, and that's going to be for TV shows. Next one I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a balloon, and that's going to be birthdays. Next one I'm just going to do a line, and that's going to be notes. That's all I'm going to do for now. I've left a little bit of space, so if I think of any more, I can fill in. I'm going to show you why I've done a tip-in. This is called tipping. The reason I've done a tip-in is I can go to any page of my journal and open it up and I can see my key. So I can go to like this and see my key if I wanted to fill it in. And that's my key done. Right, now I've shown you my key, I'm going to go through the rest of my bullet journal. So I've turned the page, I've put a quote here. It says, "This life is yours. Take the power to choose what you want to do and do it well. Take the power to love what you want in life and love it honestly. Take the power to walk in the forest and be part of nature. Take the power to control your own life. No one else can do it for you. Take the power to make your life happy." And then I've decorated my cover page. I did this in another video. I think it was my unboxing of this journal. So if you want to see how I done this, you can go and watch that video. And then I've done an index. I've done my 6 months at a glance because I'm starting this in July. I've done my future log. I've only done 6 months because I'm starting it in July. This page is new skills to learn. I've done the lettering on these pages using stencils. These stencils from Oops a Daisy, they're brilliant. But I absolutely love these stencils. I've got stencils for all different things. These are the lowercase and these are the uppercase and they're in apricot. They do them in all different fonts. And this page we're going to do together. I bought this stencil from Oops a Daisy and it's like a notice board. So you've got your like sticky notes and then you've got this stencil to do the notice board. So we're going to do this one now together. I'm going to get my Micron 04 and what we're going to start off doing this clip. And then draw the sticky note. And on the stencil, it's got this, so you can draw it here. So it looks like the page has got the corner of the page is coming up like that. Now we'll draw this one. And we'll do this shape. Do the little corner. Right, I'm going to do another one here. This stencil is so fun. I'm going to draw this one this way. Look how quick and easy it is to just draw that and it looks so good. I'm going to draw a clip here. And I'm going to draw this one this way. I'm just going to do 4 of them for now. And I can write the skills I want to learn in them boxes. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill these in to give them more detail. So I'm going to do this, like that. Draw like this. And look at that, it looks even better now. On this one, I'm just going to draw a little circle there. Stick it there, didn't I? Draw a little circle on that one. And this will do this again. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to colour in these bits here, just so it goes with the spread. Just notice I've got a water little line there. And let's do it on that one as well. This marker is a Tombow jewel brush pen, and it's in 192. I'm going to get a different colour marker, 942, to colour in these ones. Right, now I'm going to take the notice board stencil and I'm going to use a gold pen. Now I'm going to turn this page to look like it's a notice board. I'm going to line the stencil up and run the pen down here. And then I'm going to run it to there, making sure I don't go over what I've already drawn. So this will look like it's in the background. Up to there, there, and there. See how we've got lines? I'm just going to move this one so it lines up with that. So the next one will be in the right place. There. And there. Oh, here I've gone right down to the bottom, haven't I? So now I've got to make sure these go to the bottom as well, I don't want it to look odd. I'm going to turn it this way, line it with the bottom, like this. And lift it up. See how it's turning out? It's looking good. Draw there. Right across on this one. Look at that. Looks cool, doesn't it? What I am going to do, I'm going to just do a line along here. I'm just going to use my ruler for this one. I'm going to make it go up like that. And that's that page finished. How effective are them stencils? Brilliant. I really like that. Right, let's flick through the rest of what I've done so far. The next page, I've wrote a wish list. I'm going to write my wish list there. I've got a page for goals. I'm not going to do them on camera. I've done a page for subscription lists. That's like Netflix, Amazon Prime, things like that I'll put there. Important contacts, I've done that page. I've left the page there. I don't know what I'm going to put there yet. I'm going to do a pet tracker because I've got a dog called Willow. But I'm going to do that in a different video, so look out for that one. On these two pages, I'm going to do a cleaning master list. I've got a symptoms tracker because I've got health problems, so I'm going to record my symptoms on there, and I've done a little key. I've got a meds tracker, doctor's appointments, and I've got a column for date, time, doctor specialist, location and clinic, the reason I went to the appointment, and if there's a follow-up. I've got a page for morning routine, a page for evening routine, and then I'm going to do a monthly calendar, and I'm going to do a weekly spread, and that's going to be in my next video. Thanks so much for watching my very first bullet journal setup. I hope you found some inspiration, tips and ideas to use in your own journal. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative journaling and stationery content. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favourite bullet journal spread or must-have page? Until next time, happy journaling. Until next time, happy journaling.